How to fix the error, incompatible types, int cannot be converted to boolean. Likely, if you are watching this video, you know how to read, so you've grasped that you're converting an integer to a boolean and that Java is telling you that it is not allowed. Likely, you're not running code like this on screen now, and the location of the error is less obvious. If this is the error that you are facing, I will link another video I have done about converting an integer to a boolean in Java. You are most likely seeing this error because a condition somewhere in your code is holding an integer. Since Java conditions must evaluate to a boolean, this is the location of the error. You might have a conditional statement like this. You have forgotten the second equal sign and made an if condition to just be an assignment. As written, Java just evaluates this if statement as if 5, then print high. Java then tries to somehow convert 5 to a boolean, can't, then triggers the error. You could even change this to a while loop. Again, Java is interpreting the while loop as while 5, print high. It again tries to convert 5 to a boolean, can't, then triggers the error. This same concept would apply to other structures like for loops. The fix to this error is to make sure whatever integer you're dealing with inside a condition evaluates to a boolean. This might be as simple as remembering the second equals sign or adding a comparison after the number. Like and subscribe to learn more.